Alright guys, and welcome to today's video. So on today's video guys, we are going to be talking about something very important. Alright, so if you have ever participated on airdrop for the past couple of years, if you have been participating on airdrop and you probably don't know what happens after participating on airdrop or whatsoever that happened, do wait to watch this video till the end, because after watching this video you are going to be able to check if you have been eligible for an airdrop but you don't know. You are going to see any project that you have participated on but you probably don't know that you qualified for the airdrop. You are going to learn how you can be able to check if you qualified for any airdrop that you probably don't remember or you have forgotten. Okay, so I recently stumbled upon a post by Wyke of Crypto right here. He's actually, he found out about this, which I'm about to talk about, and according to his post about $67 million has been sitting on people's inside 87,000 plus old smart wallets, but these people doesn't know that they have up to this amount. So on this video guys, let me show you how you can be able to check it. So there's a link that he provided right here saying that this is it. You can see he said you might have some unclaimed forgotten airdrop sitting somewhere. You can check here. So this is the link that he gave right here. So I've already opened the link right here on my browser right here. Now I'm going to be checking out using my own wallet to see if there's any airdrop that I am qualified for, but I probably don't know. Now what you need is very simple. You don't even need to connect your wallet. What you need to do is to simply paste your wallet address to scan for it. So I will go right now to copy my wallet address. Okay, I will copy my trust wallet address right like this. Okay, so I will copy the address, then I'm gonna have to head back right here. I will paste the address. Okay, let me see what it's gonna have. So right now you can see it is tracking my address to see if there is any wallet address or any airdrop that I qualified for, but maybe I don't know that I'm qualified for it. So right now it is currently scanning my wallet. After it's done scanning my wallet, if it didn't find anything reasonable right here, then I'm gonna have to search with another wallet. So far you can see after searching right here, it didn't find anything. That is because this wallet is a new fresh wallet. So I will go back like this, then I'm gonna have to head back to my wallet address again. Okay, I will go to my wallet right now, then I have to search with another wallet. Okay, so this is a wallet that I've been using for a very long time. Let me just try with it to see if there's anything. I'll click on receive, then I have to try again with this wallet address. So there are chances that I may not have any airdrop waiting for me, but you watching me right now, you may have an airdrop that you have qualified for, but you probably don't know that you are even qualified for it. Okay, so over here right now, after scanning, you can see nothing is here as well. You can see we find those smart wallets holding a balance, nothing claimable. If you expect something here, they will check the address. So right now guys, this is basically how you scan your address to see if you qualified for any airdrop. You can use the link right there on the video description or probably on the comment section to actually check if you got any airdrop that you qualified for but you probably don't know. So this is how you check if you qualified for any airdrop and you have forgotten about it. All right, so pass like this. So right now, thank you for watching the video. Let me know your thoughts on the comment section, and I'll be speaking to you guys on the next video that I'll be making very soon.